Hello, it's me Yvonne. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thanks for spending your time with watching this video. Today we have another unboxing. I got my November kit from Rosey Life Planner and I thought I want to share it with you. So I don't open it. I got it yesterday, I think. Yes. So here it is. You can choose between 3 subscription kits. The first one is the cheapest one, is the pedal kit. It has only sticker sheets. The second one, the middle one, is the Blossom kit. You get vellum or acetate, dashboards, sticker sheets, and the biggest one and the one expensive is the deluxe kit. I have the deluxe kit. I saw another unboxing from Vida and of course the video from Linda, Rosey Life Planner, because I was excited to know what's in it, because this one took 2 weeks shipping. Yes, I chose all the time the free shipping. The last days I thought maybe I will upgrade my shipping to FedEx, so it mostly take 5 to 7 days to arrive. But now it's here and I think 14 days, it's okay. Next week is the 1st of November, so my monthlies should be ready. So now I have nearly 1 week to decorate, and maybe I will try once more the free shipping to see if it arrives in time, and if not, I can upgrade for the next kit. I got these kits since Linda started with the subscription kits, and if I'm right, she started last year with the August kit and I totally love them. So let's open it. I always use the kits for my monthly decoration and of course for my weeklies or dailies too. So I need to be a bit patient because I want to save this to put it in my, sorry for the noises. Because I want to put it in a weekly when November starts. I used it the last month in my A5 undated planner from Rosey Life Planner. And yesterday, so Friday, 24th of October, my pre-ordered planners and my Planner Extra orders are shipped. And I think FedEx showed that the package should be arrived next week on Friday, 1st of November. Here on top is a Cozy Fall sticker. Linda mentioned in her video that this was a mistake. That's not the right sticker, because this sticker is an item of the Cozy Fall box. So I will open it and took everything out. Okay. So at first we have this cute die cut, and as you can see it has gold foil on it. Really, really beautiful. Here are some freebies and planner cards in it. So let's take a look. everything out. So we have at first planner season. This is amazing. It looks so beautiful. A cup of coffee, planner, and some gold foil too. I hope you can see it a bit. Then we have the November planner card, really beautiful. And on the back, a little text. This is a freebie. We have some scripts this week to do work and some deco items, a planner like on the planner card, a desk, some flowers, a bow, leather, pretty. Then you get with the Blossom kit and the Deluxe kit this sticker of the current month, and you get with the Blossom and Deluxe kit these month scripts, and you get this planner card, Fall Vibes. I love it. I think this is a hot chocolate with marshmallows in it. Really, really pretty. So I think the stickers, oh, here's another freebie, or no, that's sheet number 14th. This belongs to the Deluxe kit. When Linda uploads the kits, she always explains what is in which package, and I think it's useful to see and hear how you can use it. So if you use an undated planner, it's useful maybe you choose Blossom or Deluxe kit, because you get tons of date stickers. I show you at last. And in the Petal kit there are no date stickers or weekday script stickers. So here are A5 dashboards. You can choose your planner size and if you want it punched or unpunched. So here's the November monthly dashboard. Then planning is my me time, really pretty. Here you have the scene like the couch with a note at the back. And you have some trees and beautiful autumn colors. Really, really like it. And at least these. So here you have flowers and autumn colors too. Love it. And it has some gold foil on it too. Then you have this big one, again with a cup of coffee, planner on a cozy bed or couch. And I think this would look perfect as a planner dashboard or outside the planner if you use a clear cover. Linda made this often too, or always, I don't know at the moment. So this is my undated planner from Rosey Life Planner, and look how chunky it is. This is really fat, and you could put it around into the clear cover, so maybe something white, so here you can see my vinyls through it. But one moment, let's try this. Yeah, it's so, now you can see it better. So this is how it would look around your planner. Really beautiful. Maybe I do it? I need to think about it. But this is really, really beautiful. I love it. And the last big one are flowers again. Nice autumn colors and some old, like vintage scripts. Really pretty. Okay. And now we get into the sticker sheets. So we start with sheet 1, gold foil 2, really pretty. A girl with a tree, cafe scenes, a girl's working on her laptop, coffee. Here are some flowers, envelope, some old script again. Little elements. I love these to put it in free space where is not enough space for a bigger sticker. And this time you have some envelopes, iPhone or phone, coffee mug, a pin, flowers, really pretty. I love that this one is not only flowers or leaves. The next one, the desk again, planner and cup of coffee. Really, really pretty. This one has gold foil again. Here's a bigger one with a scene from the dashboard and from the planner card. A little squirrel, an owl, basket, books. Really pretty. And these, in the deluxe kit, you get 2 of these. In the Blossom kit, only 1. This is an extra item in the deluxe kit that you get 2 of these sheets. So here are washi stripes, some elements, gold foil again, and really beautiful autumn colors. So that's the same again. So this sheet and the next sheet you get in the Blossom and Deluxe kit, not in the Petal one. So you have the date stickers 1 to 31 and some functional stickers, task, tracker, sleep, mood, today, notes, today, important, this week, to do, this month. And this is the weekdays stickers without the weekday word. Was that correct? I don't know. So from November 1st until November 30th, chapter 11, November 11, and she always has space. So Linda made some extra days, Monday to Sunday, and this one I use for my dailies in my undated planner. Yeah. Next one, stamps, stickers with gold foil 2 on it. Really pretty, with pumpkin and a farm. Then sheet 13, planner related, a cup of coffee and some cookie or patisserie, and gold foil too. Then you get this sheet, one moment, in the Blossom and Deluxe kit. A full sheet of weekdays, and this one I mostly use for the monthly overview and maybe sometimes for the daily pages too, so I use one of these and put one of these under it. Yeah. Here is washi and seam too. So you have one big washi stripe. Here again, some florals, gold foil on it again, as you can see, yeah. And on one sheet of the washi sheets is mostly one bigger seam. Yeah, really pretty. And this was sheet 14th. With a couch, a laptop, a hot drink, cardigan, candles. Yeah, really pretty. I love this kit, really. I like the colors, and I have to say there was, I think, only one kit. It's not that I didn't like it. It was nice, but it was too red for me. I think it was in this year, June or July. I don't know at the moment. And it was with strawberries and summer feeling. And of course, red is the perfect color for it. But I don't like red or blue. And so I used it, but that wasn't my favorite. But this one could be really my favorite kit of the year, I think. But let's wait. I saw some sneak peeks of the December kit, and oh my gosh, this will be so pretty too. So yeah, I hope you like everything like I do. And if you like this video, it would be really kind if you give it a thumbs up. Would help me with my YouTube channel a lot. Thanks so much in advance. And you will see all the items, I think, next week or next weekend, when I will decorate my monthlies in my A5 and in my N1 planner from Sterling Ink. Maybe you will see this little guy, so no, it's not really little, in my YouTube videos too, because I started something where I think it could make fun, but I'm not sure. I started today on Saturday. Let's see and wait, and maybe it was only a short love with it. So this is a gallon leather cover, so it's not an original Travelers Company, and I have it for, I think, 7 years. Yes. And this tag is from Gallon Leather 2. This little charm is from Elsie with Love. This patch is from AliExpress, and we can take a look. This is the weekly memo, the horizontal weekly layout, and it's normally dark blue. And as you now know, I hate blue, so I had to cover it, and I used some pink paper at the back too. This is the vertical layout, looks like this. And yes, I try these now, and I think I will choose in the beginning of December if I want to go on with it and which calendar layout. This is the horizontal layout. As a planner for appointments, trackers, I love this layout, but for this, what I'm using it now, this weekly layout is a bit better, but yeah, I don't know. I think I need to try some more weeks to see what works really for me. I hope you have a great day, a great weekend, and see you soon in the next video. Bye!